Hi everybody, it's been a while and I wanted to do a quick video regarding recent events and how Bitcoin and gold, along with silver, have been going up. And I've talked about this, mentioning to everybody that you should hold your Bitcoin as the price will go up, it will skyrocket, and I did mention the same for gold and silver. And I advised using BitGold's services to profit, or store value as well. And I wanted to touch over that because over the last 3 weeks, Bitcoin's price has been going up like crazy, and I do expect it to continue going up. I've been talking to people and making sure that they understand if they're mining, they need to hold, and if they don't understand mining is too complicated, I do advise them to buy some and they hold it. And they did find with the price increase that it's a very interesting technology and currency to hold on to. And right now, in Canadian dollars, the price is above 940. The last I checked. Um, so yeah, 943. So in US dollars, that's 700 something, and that's over a 60% increase from 3 weeks ago, when it was 450 US dollars. Now, uh, you have to understand this is just an expected jump, and I've mentioned this before in my, another video when I discussed the halving, and we're June, so we're just a few days over a month before the halving event. So I do urge everybody mining right now to hold and just suck the costs of mining. I understand that you need to pay your electricity bills, but if you can pinch yourself now to get a better return on your mining, a better revenue stream in July, excuse me, it's worth it. You can handle $1,000 or so of in electricity bills, a lot of noise just to make more money, and I believe that it will double. I think right now, if I believe Bitcoin can reach 1,400 in July. It's just a matter of time. Just hold, and you will not be sorry. The other thing is, you need to understand, behind the sudden rise, we have the people buying Bitcoin, expecting it to raise, to increase in price because of the halving. But there's also other economical events taking place, such as the stricter capital controls in China and the States. Here in Canada, it's not that bad, but I have noticed banks are keeping track of people's movements, their money, mainly in China, people are escaping the yuan because it's been devalued several times and it's not worth holding. The another thing is, for example, here in the banks in Canada, I've been asked. I've taken out all my savings, everything. Uh, I I only have my credit card debt and whatever, a few $100s that I have just to pay little bills here and there, and they're all in gold and Bitcoin. The bank doesn't know where it's going, and they're wondering like, hey, is everything okay? Do you still have a job? Is your business okay? Where you're spending here? They're asking a lot of questions, and I told them up front, listen, I'm saving it in gold and silver, and that's where they backed up. Um, I did not mention to Bitcoin because, let's face it, it's a bad idea to mention Bitcoin to any bank. Um, but in the same time, I'm not lying anyway. So I do have a lot in gold and silver. So one thing you have to understand, that Bitcoin will go up, and I expect it to double by July, and even go further after the halving. The regarding gold and silver, I know a few of you are not comfortable keeping gold and silver in third-party hands, and that's absolutely fine. This is why I diversify. I have gold and silver here, and I'll show you. So I just paused to grab the gold and silver, and I wanted to just prepare it here in front of me before going over it on the video. Um, I got these from my vault. I have a physical location vault, a large one, um, with all the fancy security. So this is an ounce of gold. It's pretty small. Uh, the camera is not showing it. It's made by the Canadian Royal Mint, the Royal Canadian Mint. Um, 1 ounce. It's serialized and laser stamped. It's pretty interesting. I buy my physical gold from Silver Gold Bull, and this is silver, 10 ounce silver bar. I have a few of these because I expect silver. Silver is a lot cheaper to buy, and I expect it to go up really high, really fast. In the recent few weeks, gold has been fluctuating in an upward trend, but silver has been uh, experiencing very, very minor fluctuations, but a steady upward trend. And I bought when it was 14 Canadian dollars, and again when it was 20. Now it's no, not even 20, less than 20. And now it's like 23 dollars, Canadian dollars per ounce, and I have quite a bit of that. So it's pretty interesting. You should have some of these physical, if not on BitGold, at least buy them, because you can easily move them across vaults and you can redeem them for dollars. So yeah, I did mention that I'm going to school for my MBA. So what I do with my tuition, I just put it on BitGold and sell the gold when the price is high and pay my tuition. So I actually make money off saving instead of just keeping it in a savings account, hoping for that dollar to be paid out by the bank. I make a lot more money that way than using a savings account and slowly saving it. This is why I recommend BitGold for saving and whatever else you want to use it for. I ordered the Antminers 9 and another one, but because I'm reselling them. And basically what I'm reselling them at a 15% markup from whatever they are posted at by Bitmain here in Canada. If you're interested in one and you're in Canada, if you reached your five miner limit or whatever and you want more, let me know. You can contact me. If you can't get Antminer where you are, we can discuss getting you them miners. But my miner has shipped, the first one that I initially bought for review. So I'll be doing a video on that very soon. Until then, hold your bitcoins, buy gold, and hopefully I'll see you soon. Take care, guys.